Woo! Come on. Woo! Jump marathon, year 2. Woo! Wow! Oh yeah!
Well, greetings, peoples, folks, and space aliens. Welcome to the 2023 very delayed jump marathon. I got this really delayed because I kept wanting to go back to do jumps, and I kept wanting to go back and do stuff, and it's fallen into 2024, and so on and so forth. So we're going to start off with jumps that I cleared, including the ones from 2022. So there was 109. That's where we're going to start, and we're just going to jump right into it. Here we go.
Maybe a little bit here.
Oops, I forgot to mention there's going to be some reruns where I rerun jumps that I cased. That's what this last jump was here at Cayuna, was a rerun, a jump I had cased previously.
That'll kick you. This one. Oh yeah.
As you can see here, there's a few more years of the jump marathon left. Issues this year was missing jumps, as you can see here, rerunning jumps, and of course, new areas. Bramer and unvisited areas like Tioga were the highlight of 2024. However, the jumps are getting bigger and bigger, and the tables, well, they're just getting more and more difficult. So we continue forward on my quest of Hitting all the tabletops in Minnesota. When can I finish this?
Okay, and then we got, okay. All right, here we go. First run through. See if I can hit everything. Yep, so far so good.